man? This fucking sucks.
Hey, you can't make this shit up, bro.
You can't make this shit up. 6:52 is gonna take us, they say, 13 hours. I'm hoping that's not true, but we'll see.
Better than 14 hours.
Yeah, we're gonna beat the time. I believe it. Well, we'll see if it's actually true. I can't imagine it'll actually take 14. We're gonna be quicker than that.
We're on our way to Atlantic City, KnowledgeFest 2025. We're just going for the weekend. So what's today? Thursday. So we're driving 12 hours to go Thursday night, Friday night, and then we're driving back on Saturday. Yep. So quick trip.
Minutes. We'll get there with 7%.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You just blew it.
Oh, fuck, man. Fuck, dude. Man, this fucking sucks.
Hey, you can't make this shit up, bro.
You can't make this shit up.
Hello, Trooper Shack State, please run pull you over because your windows are tinted too dark to be able to see into the vehicle.
Okay.
Also, when I run your registration, it is not coming back for me. So do you have a copy of your registration and your driver's license?
Should. Yep.
These are usually, it's very hit and miss, but some vehicles like this can be great stops, as you can imagine. So give me 2 minutes, I'll be back with you, okay?
Thank you.
How much does it cost for you to register this?
$36.97.
Every year.
Because electric vehicles, they like...
That's why they charge you extra, because it's electric? Are you shitting me?
I wish I was.
We don't pay tax on our gas.
Yeah.
So, fuck, man.
I know.
That's absurd.
They try to make their money back on the electric car. And
listen, I know because I have a giant solar array at my house, and it's nice here. So even though we don't make a lot of electricity in the winter, we get everything we make in the summer back for free. So it's net metering, which it is good. It's awesome. It's not fair because they don't know how many miles you're putting on their roads.
Exactly.
Now, if they went by, hey, you know, we're going to charge you $1,000 every year because it's $1 a mile or whatever, and then at the end of the year, you submit your mileage, we refund you. Like, I can see it trying to make it comparable because you are using the roads, but just right off the bat, like, hey, take this.
Exactly.
Like, that's pretty messed up,
It
man.
is.
No, so again, the reason I pulled you over, you're not allowed to have in cars tinted windows in the front or any tint on your windshield whatsoever. So that was my reason why. And I still can't get your registration to come back. We have a card that says it's good, so I trust that. That was it.
Okay.
Nothing. Hope something good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So you're free to go. Be
Awesome.
safe, guys.
Thank you.
He thought he was gonna get him a pound.
He did. He really did. Oh my gosh, that's funny.
Autofocus is
Oh man. He was actually pretty cool.
He was cool.
He was.
We got it all in film too.
He wasn't a dick. That's good.
I mean, I just had the camera like sitting like this.
No, that's good.
At my feet, but we definitely got it.
That's good. I like that. Wow.
We'll catch back up later.
I left when it was dark. It's probably going to be close to dark when we get there, so we're like right outside Atlantic City, whatever that place says. The Tesla is doing well. Auto steer's working fine. I'm just ready to get to Atlantic City. Westfield, which is basically north of Indianapolis, all the way to Atlantic City. 14 hours in a Tesla.
What happened? Did we just make it?
14 hours.
It's 8 o'clock. I said we were gonna be in the parking garage at 8 o'clock.
And we made it.
Yeah, we did.
It took us long enough.
You ready?
Yeah, I mean, 14 hours later, we finally made it.